Hello dear children, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to take online class for 6th standard, the poetry part. Poem number 3, Spring. What is this? Poem number 3, Spring. What is spring season? Spring children, spring is a name of a season. We have only mainly 4 seasons now. In that spring is a very pleasantest season of the year. Okay, then spring comes after winter. After the winter we will get the spring season. There will be a lot of changes in nature during the spring season. What all the changes we are going to see in this season? We'll study about all those things in the poem lines. Let us get into the poem lines, children. I'll read out poem lines for you. Listen carefully, try to understand it. Okay? Spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. Then blooms each thing, then maids dance in a ring. Cold doth not sting, the pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo jag jag, poo vittu vittavu. The palm and the may make country houses gay. Lambs frisk and play. The shepherds pipe all day, and we hear birds tune their merry lay. Coo jag jag, poo vittavu vittavu. Next, the third stanza. The fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. Young lovers meet, old wives a sunning seat. In every street, these tunes our ears do greet. Cuckoo jag jag, poo vitta vittavu. Spring, the sweet spring. Once again I'll read out first paragraph for you, first stanza. Spring, the sweet spring, he is the year's pleasant king. Then blooms each thing, then maids dance in a ring. Cold doth not sting, the pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo jag jag, poo vittu vittavu. Okay, children, what does this paragraph tells us? That spring is the sweet spring here. The poet is this writer of this poem is T. Nash. Okay, children, he is expressing that spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. All 4 seasons now. In that all 4 seasons, spring season is the pleasantest season, and it is the king of all seasons. Why? Because in this season the flower blooms, means especially flower blooms in a very happy mood. Then maids dance in a ring. Maids means couples. They will dance in a merry mood. Cold doth not sting, the pretty birds do sing. The birds will sing. Pretty means in a sweet voice. How does it sings? Cuckoo jag jag, poo vitta vittavu. What is this? Cuckoo. Cuckoo is the name of a bird now, children. It is the smallest bird, looking similarly like a crow. Color also black only. That sings as a jag jag, poo vitta vittavu. Okay? We will see about the second paragraph. The palm and may make country houses gay. Lambs frisk and play. The shepherds pipe all day, and we hear birds tune their merry lay. Cuckoo jag jag, poo vitta vittavu. What is this say? The palm. Palm means name of a tree, palm tree. And may make country houses gay. Means it makes a cheerful. Country houses means everywhere, all the surroundings looks in a cheerful atmosphere. Lambs frisk and play. Lambs means small baby of a sheep that will jump and play in a pleasant mood. The shepherds pipe all day. The shepherds will be working in a this energetic mood all the day. If the season was summer, means we'll get the sun will be hot and we cannot work so long in the under hot sun. So if the atmosphere is pleasantful for us, we can work for several hours also. So in that same way, the shepherds will do the work all day. And we hear by birds tune their merry lay. Birds also are singing in a merry lay. Lay means here a short song of happiness. Birds will sing when they will feel happy. They will be singing in a very happy mood. Merry lay. Kakku jag jag, poo vita vita vu. Next we will see the third paragraph, children. The fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. Young lovers meet, old voices sunning seat. In every street these tunes our ears to greet. Kakku jag jag, poo vita vita vu. Spring the sweet spring. Okay, children. What does this third para tells us? The fields breathe sweet. The fields means will be growing crops, no fields. That is that breathes means that will take inhales fresh oxygen, and it can breathe sweet smell also. The daisies kiss our feet. Daisies also will be in a very happy mood, and they look like that they are about to kiss our feet. Young lovers meet, old voices sunning seat. Young lovers used to wish to meet, and wives means wife. They want to spend the time by sitting outside sit outside to enjoy the hot sun. Then hot sun is a pleasantful for us, because the season will be pleasantful, and that a little bit cold also, no? So in that way we want to sit outside to have the pleasant sunrise. In every street those tunes our ears to greet. In every streets we can hear the tunes, means sweet melody, sweet songs. Ears to greet, that seems to greet us. Kakku jag jag, poo vita vita vu. Spring, the sweet spring. Again the poet is saying that spring is the sweetest season. Okay, once or twice again I want to read the poem lines so that you listen carefully. Spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. Then blooms each thing, then mates dance in a ring. Cold doth not sting, the pretty birds do sing. Kakku jag jag, poo vita vita vu. The palm and may make country houses gay. Lambs frisk and play, the shepherds pipe all day. And we hear birds tune their merry lay. Kakku jag jag, poo vita vita vu. The third paragraph is, the fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. Young lovers meet, and old voices sunning sit. In every street these tunes our ears do greet. Kakku jag jag, poo vita vita vu. Spring, the sweet spring. This poem is written by T. Nash. After this poem we are going to provide you notes regarding this poem, children. At the same time you copy the notes and keep on study well, and prepare well for the upcoming days to attend the exams also even. So don't waste the time. Be careful. Take care of yourself. Thank you.